Hello friends, this is a video tutorial on Icse English 1. Actually these papers are starting from 1995 onwards. This is purely a grammar paper which will be starting from 1995. I am showing you the 1995 paper. Just we begin. The meanings of the phrasal verbs or words are given here. Put up with is tolerate. Broke off means discontinued. Fragment means part. Delusion means false belief. Infirmities means sickness. Now, second question is to rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given. Do as directed. First is, I was not sure that it was you. You have to use doubtful instead of sure. You have to write, I was doubtful if it was you. Second is, she complained that the room was too hot. We have to begin with the she complained of. The answer is, she complained of the heat in the room. Next is, he couldn't seem to get out of the habit. We have to begin with he seemed. So he seemed habituated. Number 4 is, what long hair you have. End with is. How long your hair is. Please read this and see if there are any mistakes. We have to use go in place of read. So it is, please go through this and see if there are any mistakes. Next is, here comes the station bus. We have to end with coming. So the answer is, the station bus is coming. Next is, I don't know how you tolerated him for so long. We have to use put instead of tolerated. I don't know, how did you put him for so long? Next is, how do you dare to remain absent without leave? Said the teacher to the boys. We have to begin, the teacher asked the boys how. The teacher asked the boys, how did they dare to remain absent without leave? Next is, he has refused to help me. Rewrite using said. He said to me, I will not help you. Next is, you have nothing to complain of. We have to end with complain. There is nothing of which you can complain. Now there is fill in the blanks with the words which is appropriate. Children often quarrel over their toys. The waiter laid the table for dinner. She was annoyed at being disturbed. He was anxious to be popular with everyone. It was kind of him to be so helpful. Complete each of the sentences with suitable form of the words given in brackets. Even if you dash, you would not catch the train. You have to use hurry. So even if you hurry, you would not catch the train. Similarly, I would buy a bicycle if I had the money. I shall be very surprised if it rained anymore. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Even if she goes there at once, he would have left by the time she arrived. So this is the first part. Here we end up. So next time we will come with the next year's question. Thank you very much and all the best.